500 rupees.
What happened?
The bus ticket is 500 rupees, man.
नमस्ते, आमची मुंबईमध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे.
Hi guys, I am Snehal and today I am going to share my travel experience after landing to Mumbai airport. Okay, so this was a self-reporting form which was given before landing and you have to fill it then and there only and keep it handy while leaving the plane. We landed safely an hour earlier at around 11 am IST and deplaning was very well organized, followed by a group of 30 individuals in a row from front. So far everything was all good. After deplaning, we followed the direction given by airport officers. Mumbai airport was not much crowded and people were maintaining social distancing. People who had connecting flights were called into different queue. Rest of us followed regular queue. So at this point we were asked to keep passport and health form ready for verification. Then they collected the health form and gave us a copy back. There were officers who were requesting everybody to download and register Arogya Setu app. They were also helping people having doubts. If you do not have active Indian number, there were counters to get a new SIM card at that point. Registration into Arogya Setu app was mandatory. Next was our immigration, and immigration was very smooth. We were taken into batches and it hardly took 15 to 20 minutes. There was social distancing followed and everyone was so relaxed after that. So as you can see, most of the duty free shops are closed here, but I do see light further ahead, so let me go and check. Oh, so luckily I found one shop open and I did some duty free shopping. Next was baggage claim, which was as usual, but no social distancing was maintained here. So after the baggage claim, handbags and cross-marked bags were again screened. Then we were directed to different hotel booking counters based on passport and destination. There were different queues for different destinations. BMC officers were helping so much and it was all very well organized. So our destination was Mumbai and Mumbai based people were given list of hotels to choose. We were asked to contact hotels to check the availability because the rooms were limited and it gets sold very quickly. So we were asked to contact the person and get your room confirmed. The hotel prices were based on star rating and per night charges were ranged from 1.5k to 5k rupees. After confirming the hotel, we were asked to wait in waiting room for bus. BMC has organized best services from airport to hotels. 500 rupees.
What happened?
The bus ticket is 500 rupees, man. So this is our BEST bus service, which we were waiting for like 10 minutes. As I saw, it was already full and the tickets were so high, it was 500 rupees per person. Never paid this much amount to travel in Mumbai. Bus was fully packed with luggages. Nobody, literally nobody, helped us to keep bags inside our bus. Even people inside bus didn't help us. They were just sitting and looking at us while we were struggling with our bags. As you can see, people are maintaining 1 seat distance from each other. Later, one by one, people started to move as their destination arrived. Bus stopped inside the hotel premises and dropped everybody inside. But our hotel didn't allow our bus to go inside their premises for some security reasons, I guess. And they dropped us a kilometer away from hotel, and we took all our bags and went into hotel. It was very exhausting to take bags on your own because the luggage was so heavy. And due to this COVID, no hotel members will touch your bag, and be prepared for that, guys. After that, we went into hotel and all our bags were sanitized and thermal screening was done before checking in. So this whole bus journey took 3.5 hours to reach our hotel. Then we completed all the hotel procedure and entire 7 days payment was taken in advance. And then our 7-day quarantine journey was started.